Petrie. Guys? Hey, where is everybody? Oh, okay, fellas. Ha-ha! I get it. It's a prank, right? Just trying to scare me. Yeah, good job. You succeeded. Oh, great. An earthshake. The one thing missing to make this my scariest moment ever. I take that back.
Sure heavy for a little guy.
Sorry. Must be all this sharp tooth spit.
We know how long we can keep this up?
Yeah, well, keep it up a little longer anyway, okay?
What is that thing? I don't know, but it's not friendly.
Wow! Petrie!
Guido, I'm so tired. Why do you not fly yourself?
Are you crazy? I can't fly!
We gotta help them, but we need a plan.
Hey, I think we lost him.
Those rocks won't stop him for long.
Oh, Oh, sorry. I thought you were somebody else.
Ugh.